Hello and welcome to the course Customize, Administer and Extend Microsoft Dynamics 365. Let me start off by giving a quick introduction to myself here. I am Piyush Paliwal, your host for this course. I've been working as a Microsoft Dynamics CRM consultant for more than half a decade and have been associated with Microsoft for quite a few years now. During this time frame, I've helped various customers manage their sales pipeline by bringing their business processes in Dynamics CRM or Dynamics 365 customer engagement. That's what we call it nowadays. On a side note, I love to cook. It's one of my biggest stress busters, and yes, well, swimming too. So there you go. That's about me. Without further ado, let's dive into the course overview. This course is basically divided into sections, and the first one is called Setting Up Dynamics 365 Organization, where we'll first see how to make any Dynamics organization your own by changing colors and logo to match your company's presence, followed by an introduction to business units and how to make best use of them. We'll also see customization options related to time, region, currencies in your organization, and finally set up searches with relevant search to make sure that your users find the right data whenever they need. In the next section, called Set Up Users, Teams and Security, we'll see how to onboard your entire sales community in CRM by setting up individual users and teams, and finally take a look at a very interesting topic of security, where we'll decide and configure who sees what in CRM. The next section, Customize Your System, is another very interesting subject that we'll take a look at primarily to understand all the different options that are available with us to fit in all the business processes that your company follows. We'll talk about entities, fields, relationships, solutions, processes, mobility, etc. Trust me, there is a huge ground to cover here. In the end, I'm gonna give you tips on how to keep an always on switch to learning, because learning Dynamics 365, it's an ongoing process. You cannot just learn it in a single go. Let's take a look at the target audience here. If you are an IT pro and looking for a complete guide to understand different ways to customize and administering a Dynamics CRM deployment and get to know the best practices for customizations and administration, then you are the right audience. See you in the next one.